Hey, what's up, man? Welcome to Park Slope, USA. Now today, pretty woman outside. They all over. We got the Vespa. Bike, fruits, lots. And that's a nice bike though. No cap, no cap. Nice bike. Need a nice bike for the summer. Summer soon be here. Best time to get your stuff is now, cause summertime, them things get expensive. You feel me? That is it. Let's go down 7th Avenue and see what's up. Ooh. It's so cold. It ain't too cold. I can't drive in window. Until I go yet. Like a fresh air. I ain't doing no vlogs in a couple of days. Myself. I gave myself a couple of days, you see? It's kinda look too bad. It look clear. Look clear enough, right? Right on. People them can't drive stuff. Or them see one little van this and them get spooked, bro. Oh my god, like them want me to run the light. I mean I do that. They would have to wait till the light change. You can't drive, Chargy. First Street. Did one of them brownstones up there a couple of years ago. Right up there by that tree right there. Never forget that tree right now. Pretty brownstone, bro. Yeah. Couple of hams. You get your brownstone in the slope. That's just what it is. Couple of hams. Who's that? Superman? But Superman and Mickey Mouse and all these superhero up on the truck front. Him probably can't even get a flat tire change. Them not help him. Yo! Volvo clean it. That's rich. Volvo clean, yo. Volvo on the Range Rover in line. That's rich life. Rich people badness. If you know, you know. Don't. One thing still no Volvo. You make so back in the time them wasn't the flashiest, but the quality of them was always up, bro. It's a quality thing with Volvos, bro. Over a lot of cars, them just look fancy, but they don't have no quality. You understand? A lot of things just look good, but there's no quality behind it. And Volvo happens to have a very, 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 very rich quality about their things. You know, it's like a chocolate brown and then change up top again. And then I don't want to you're crazy. So you got 3 different shades of brown. Like crazy. Oh my god. You see that? 1 layer, 2 layer, 2, 3. Almost 5 different shades of brown over here. 6. Oh my god, there is so much different color. You ever try to match paint yet, bro? It ain't the easiest to find the right color sometimes, bro. So you see sometimes painters go to do some job, and if it's an amateur painter, you promise something you're gonna mess up on your paint, bro. And everybody know about shading. You know? They just look at the color and eyeball it and tell themselves that that's what it is, when that's not actually what the paint is. There's something else to it, you know? But, oh, they're about to build something over here. Center. Hold on, nobody not using no city bike right now over that side. I'm surprised. A whole heap of bike park this dog. Watch this hombre upon him scooter. He have more gear than the bridging on the bigger scooter. What go on this? What is this? What you say? The man on the smaller scooter have to be more protective. The man have a knee pad. Yo, what the fuck? Come to that man. People don't understand. Yeah, I gotta let the pedestrian cross. If you know, you know, the pedestrian have the right to go. So people, they get their right, bro. Yeah, man. There ain't no traffic here. Regular day of Flatbush traffic. Look downtown, Brooklyn. Look. You see downtown? See downtown? Did you just see the Barker Center? Did you lucky enough to scan out one of your favorite celebrity? Okay, I go on. Alright, bro. I never finished drinking my cup of tea, bro. And touch the road in a bad G, I never finish smoke my split. None of that bad people. And there upon the road I drive with the window down. But me I show people blood clot view there. I tell you say you too, that's why I said my viewers them have to appreciate the grind. Acha. Landmark, you know we can see this when you now watch MVision TV, you know look. No. You be a judge and tell me. When I'm not watching a little boring vlog them on YouTube, we will I want to subscribe. When I'm not forward over here, so bro, what man, I don't want to show no love. See all the bus drive over there, so don't subscribe, bro. You see me? But big up on yourself still, you know what I think, man. I say artwork I go around and you can scan it. That's a big scan though, bro. I think your phone can scan that. Judgment. Wind up my window and I come back for smoke. I'm in the short cold thing, bro. Watch out, bro. I'll move like the pigeon them over this so start. Where man I move, sir? Lady a jog. Me not carry jacket on and lady a jog in a summer shorts and a little tank top. This no fear. What the fuck? How kind of blood she have in her body? Bro, me say, this no fear. Yo! Oh my god, bro. Yes. Museum, man. Brooklyn Museum. Down here, man. Now we turn on Washington, you see it? Cut out the traffic. So we have to do all of this Eastern Parkway traffic. You understand? Oh, make sure see your ginger beer or your Sprite. Turn on your wheel. Alright? Alright. I car wash yesterday and the man I said, boy, it's too cold. One day I said to myself, you know, I said today the best day, clean up the car. I tell the people I say it's too cold. So you mean to tell me, say, when it's cold, you know cold to me? And that's what I try to tell me, say, love me, man. I know say yesterday was a nice day. I'm not talking about. Today kinda alright still. Need a little more data on the day. Need a little more data on the day still, cause if you tell you the truth, bro, if you don't get a couple of hours well out of the day if you feature it, you see really where I go on in the weather, you can't claim it, bro. Unstability now, bro. Bucket, bro. Watch out, bro. A bird nest that up the sun. Look at bird around there. Even a ball eagle around there. See, best thing there, the parking lot. That them get a 10 plus with that. Don't even think for below a building, bro, if you not put parking lot underneath it. I might as well do that on the rent already there. So, oh, look how they move that car there. The man, them have a thing with them just scoop up the wheel and roll it across like a trolley. So imagine this, you park your car and the man them have a car outside and skate it like a trolley. Bumbuckler.